Good morning, children. I hope all of you are fine. I want to repeat what we have learned in our earlier classes. We have been discussing exercise 5.2, and in this exercise, especially, we need the relation or formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a is first term, d is common difference, n is number of term, and n is the nth term. Okay, so I gave some homework in the last class, so most of you has already submitted. Now today I am going to continue that exercise again. So today exercise 5.2 will discuss question number 10. If 17 term of an AP exceeds each 10 term by 7, find the common difference. Means 70 term exceed means more, you can say like 5 more than that, like that. Okay, 17 term exceeds 10 term by how much? 7. So we are taking let a be the first term and d be the common difference. According to the question, what is the condition? 17 term, how much exists? Means 17 term is equal to what? Each 10 term when extra 7 will be added with 10. Means I have written here that A17 is equal to A10 because plus 7, because 17 term of the AP exceeds is 10 term by 7. A17 means you know A plus 16, A10 means A plus 90 plus 7. If this A transfer on the 11th side, then it will be cancelled. So before we can cancel before it, there is one A cancel, then 16D minus 90 is 7D, then D is 7 by 7 is 1. So what is good? That D is equal to 1, because I want to repeat one more, that A17 is equal to what? 7 term exceeds by 10 terms. So A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Since this is A on the right hand side and on the 11th side, if you transfer on the 11th side, then A will become minus, so A you can cancel. Then what is left? 16 minus 90 is 70, so D is equal to 1. Next, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. Try to understand. Two APs. We are discussing about two APs. They have same common difference, but their first terms are different. Because why their first term are different? Because here it is clear that difference between their 100 term is 100, and what is the difference between their 1000 term? Actually, I said first term. Okay. So why I said first term? I will repeat that. Since they have same common difference, but they did not tell us about the first term, but they told that the difference between their 100 term is 100 and the difference between their 1000 term is, you have to find out. Means only they say their common difference is same, both the APs, but first term A is not same. That is why let first term of the APs are, because there are two APs, one we have taken A, another we have taken B. B is the first term of the second AP respectively, and the same common difference. That is why D is common difference for both the APs. Now according to question, difference between their 100 term is 100. So we have to write A 100 minus what? B 100. This is second AP. The first term is B is 100. So A 100, if you can break that, A plus 90 minus B 100 means B plus 90. So if you take out the bracket, then minus B minus 90 and plus 90 cancel. What is left? 100. So here A, this B is not cancelled, this will be minus B. So A minus B is equal to what? 100. Now we have to find out the difference between their 1000 term. So A 1000 minus B 1000, both the APs are here. So A 1000 means A plus 990 minus B plus 990. So if you take out the bracket, minus B minus 990 minus 990 minus 990 cancel. What is left? A minus B. And what is the value of A minus B? 100. So it is 100. So what is, this is very easy. We need to find the difference between 100. We need to find the difference between 1000 term. So first of all, we got the difference between what? A100 minus B100. We got what? 100 after simplification. Then when you wrote here A1000 minus B1000, after that we got that 99D minus 99D cancel. What is left? A minus B. The same difference you can use here. Means A minus B. What is the difference? 100. So here also A minus B in the place of A minus B what? 100. Understood? Next. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit number? This is little bit different type of question. How many 3-digit number divisible by 7? There are so many 3-digit number. Means that smallest 3-digit number is what? 100, and the largest 3-digit number is 994. So we have to take out the numbers. That how many digits are there? They are divisible by 7. If you are going to count this one, that one, this 3-digit number, then how much time it will take? It will take so much time. It will divisible by 7 or not. But there is a formula in AP that we can use, and we will get the result easily. So first 3-digit number means if to find out the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7 is what? 105. Before 105, 104, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. That numbers are not divisible by 7. Only 105. First 3-digit number is what? 105, which is divisible by 7. But if you are taking that first 3-digit number is 100, but I am not taking 100. Since 100, 102, 101, 103, 104, these numbers are not divisible by 7. We have to take that numbers which are divisible by 7. I think it is clear. So next is what? 1 plus 5. How much? 105 plus 7 what? 112. Means in between 105 and 112 there are no numbers which are divisible by 7. This is second. So the last 3-digit number, if you count the last, like 999 is not divisible by 7, 998 is not divisible by 7, 997 is not divisible by 7, 995 is not divisible by 7, but 994 means last digit is 999, but which is divisible by 7, the last digit is what? 994. So how do you got? 105, 112, we found one more, then 109, dot, 994. And this is from an AP, you can check because they have common difference 7. So A is 105, this you can find out 7, and N is the decision 994. So we know, or we have N is equal to A plus, means here we have to find out what? Number of terms. That is why I wrote N is what? So we have same formula, N is A plus N minus 1D. Put the values 105, N minus 1, 105, this side, then 994 minus 105, 889, then 7 if you divide 989 by 7, what? 127, now minus 1, transfer on the that side, and you will get how much? N is equal to finally 128. I think this is simply calculation, you can understand. So 120 is the 3-digit number, a divisible means from 100 to 999 there are 128 numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay, 50 number. For what values of N are the N terms of 2 APs? See, here there are 2 APs. One AP is 63, 65, 67 dot dot, and another AP is 3, 10, 17 dot dot equal. Try to understand the question. It has a one term, means it may be, this is up to third term they have given, here also up to third term they have given. It has a one term like 5th term or 6th term or n or 7th term or 9th term or 16th term. It has one term like that dot dot dot. But one time will come that this what you will get here and what you will get here, there what? So mean for what value of N are the N term of the 2 APs? Means they have one term, means here suppose here you are getting a term B, so you will get the same B also here, but which number of terms you will get that one? Which number of term? Understood no? Suppose here a term you are getting B, which term I don't know, here also you are getting B, but now here where you are getting B and here also where you are getting B, you have to find out, I mean which number of term you are getting B. B is just an example. So we have this one A is 63, D 2 for this one also, but see here A and D I wrote, and here A dash and D dash, because otherwise you will get confused. Okay, this is also first term of this AP and common difference of this AP. Now see, according to question, AN what? For the first term. This is N term for the first term, and this A dash is what? For the second term. Means since here also you have to get same term in both the AP, that is why we are making the N term is equal. So N is first term of for the first term and this arrangement is for the second term. For the second AP, sorry, for the second AP, this is for the first AP. Now a plus n minus 1, this is what? A dash plus n minus 1d. 1d dash, already I told you here. Okay. Now, put the values. N is same because this is number of terms. So 2n minus 2. Because number, we need to find out which term of the AP. Means for what value of n, the n terms of the APs are equal. That is why n is, we have to take same. So here, then 63. 2n, 2 ones are 2, 3, 7 into 7n, 7 minus 7, then 3 minus 7, minus 4, and this 7n, if you transfer this side, twice n minus 7n minus 5n, 63 minus 2 what? Plus 61, when you transfer that side, minus 61, this side, you can simplify it, minus 4 minus 61, what is left? Minus 5n, minus cancel, n is what? 65 divided by 13, so the term, hence, the 13 terms of the two APs are equal. Means if you find out 13 term here, you will get how much? 30 term, how much you will get? Same for this AP 13 time what? For this one also same. Means they have same 13 term, both the APs. I want all of you understood. Now next, question number 17. Find the 20 term from the last term of the AP. See, here you have to find out 20 term, yes, but don't forget from the last, means not 3, 8, 13. If you go like that, this is second, this is third, like this 20 term, no. You have to count from last one, okay? 20 term from the last term, okay? Here A is 3, this 8 minus 3, 5, and N is what? 253. Now you have to write in reverse order. Now in reverse order, because we got the common difference, then what will be the first term? 253. Then for that, before that, what? 240, sorry, actually this is 248. This is 248, okay, 248. Now then 13, 8, 3 in reverse order, okay. Now A is 253 and this 248 minus 51 minus 5, because we need, they are asking the question 20 term from the last term in reverse order. That is why we made it as, what? In reverse order only. Then we will get easily. So now easily we can find out A and D. We have 20 term from the last term. A plus what? 19D. This A have to use 253, 19D. This minus 5. So this one, multiply this 2. After the final result, what you will get? 158. Clear? Next. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year, then increase her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the end week, her weekly saving become rupees 20.75 finance. See, here Ramkali save rupees 5 in the first, okay, in the first week, okay. After that in the second week, so she got 1.775 more than that, means second week will be what? 5 plus 1.75. Then third week 6 plus means second week what? 5 plus 1.75 is what? 6.75. Then next week 6.75 plus 1.75. It will be go like that. And once time will come that she has now how much? She said 20.75. Which you have to find out which week. First week rupees 5, second week 6.5. Then which weeks she can save, or she is saving, or she will save, sorry, she will save rupees 20.75. Understood? So here means you need to find out n. Here in the first week rupees 5, second week 5 plus 1.75, 6.75. Dot. Nth week mean that number of week what? 20.75. Understood? Next, so this 5, 6.75, 20.75 it forms AP. You can check it is formed under bracket. You can write form AP. So we have n is what? Same formula you can use again. N is equal to a plus n minus 1d. A is 5, d is 1.75. So use this 20.75. 5, 1.75 into n, 1.75, 1.75 into 1, 1.75. So 5 minus 1.75, 3.25, 1.75. So if you minus 20.75, 3 minus 3.25 what? 17.5. So if you divide 117.5 by 1.75, how much? 10. So n is 10, means 10 number of week she will have to save rupees 20.75 Ramkali. Okay. So I hope all of you understood. See, you already understood that this exercise 5.2 fully depends on this formula. Only one formula. and under that you have to understand the question and you have to use this formula only, nothing is there. Now I have given some homework, that is why, so you can do easily. Homework exercise 5.2, 11, 14, 16, 18 and 19. So I'm in the evening in my WhatsApp, okay? So next what we will learn, I'll not explain today, but I will tell you what we will learn next. Next we will learn sum of the n terms. See, here we have to we learned already how to find out the n term, means like fifth, n means what? Last term maybe, or fifth term, sixth term, when whose term is not given, n term. So n term is understood now? Last term, sometimes it will work as a last term, n term. So now how to find out the sum of n terms? There is a formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. So about this we will discuss in our next class. Thank you. Take care.